Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. It's sunset. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. It wicked down as I predicted after that 3,000 Bitcoin dump. CPI data came up 0.4% up on the month on month, year on year, but it's actually up around 8.4% or something like this from the last year. So the inflation is still pretty strong, and that's what caused the market to dump. But then a very quick rebound in Bitcoin and the crypto markets, which is interesting. Hit the subscribe button, smash up the thumbs up button. Also, the stock markets had a big rebound. They were massively down on the CPI data, then big bounce. What it's telling me is all the markets are extremely oversold now. And now it's having some panic sells, but then quick rebuys. So the market's just too oversold. It doesn't have these big sustained drops anymore. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. And that means it's time, in my opinion, to start buying. So now the crypto markets, big bounce back. They were down around 10%. And then massive rebound. Now down 3%, CRV 3%, MCRT 3%, SAN 3%. But big bounce back. Bitcoin almost breaking even. On the day, 0.09, almost fully rebounded, which is beautiful. Tesla up, even Apple up, Qualcomm up, TSM up, Meta up, and I've started to buy a lot of Meta. I'm going to start adding to Meta here, Facebook, because I just think it's too oversold. Like the valuation, Bitcoin, what a bounce back! Look at that. It broke underneath that trend line, and look at that big hammer candle, massive hammer candle. If this can close the day like this is huge. We have about 6 hours left. If this can close the day, this is showing big strength in Bitcoin actually. A lot of volume coming in on the day, stochastic turning up. It's looking very nice actually for a buy here. Let's see what the indicator bots. Bitcoin indicator bot hasn't fired a buy yet. Crypto Guru bot hasn't fired a buy yet either on the daily. Let's go in the 4 hourly. On the 4 hourly, stochastic heading up, massive buy volume. We had that massive drop, and there was around 34,000 Bitcoin traded in that 4 hourly candle. Normally we have around 5,000, 4,000. There was 34,000 Bitcoin traded, and big bounce back. Look at that, massive. It came all the way down to 18,200, hitting that yellow line and actually piercing through it, and then big rebound back above that trend line, which is interesting. Now, if we get rejected here, we could come back down, but let's see if we can get a follow through. That's showing me that Bitcoin is very oversold at the moment. People are buying it. They're not letting it drop anymore. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a buy down there. Crypto Guru bot hasn't fired a buy yet on the 4 hourly, but it's showing strength. I'd be buying here on the hourly. Also, look at that volume coming in. 34,000 Bitcoin traded in this area. Big rebound. Back on that resistance, turning up. Huge volume coming in. I would be going long here after that. It's just showing strength. Let's go into the 15 minute. 15 minutes slightly overbought. Big V-shaped recovery. I would go long here on Bitcoin. Opening long, stop loss just underneath. Those supports, take profit back at the top of this resistance, 20,400. So risking 277 to make $1,265. So risking 277 to make 1,265, 4.56 risk to reward ratio trade. With 10x leverage, that would be almost $12,000 profit on that trade. The trade would open at 19,120 sticks, stop loss at 18,800, and take profit 20,391. To open your trades, if you want to trade like you're seeing me do, you can use the links in the description down below. Under the description, sign up to Bybit, and you get a $4,450 sign up bonus. So everyone, go down below. You need to get that bonus. You go down, you click that link, you sign up to Bybit, and you have to deposit and start trading. So you got to deposit certain amounts to get that full bonus, $4,450 bonus. In the description, go down, use this link. If you signed up to Bybit with anyone else's links, you need to go down and use this link to sign up, create a new account, move your Bitcoin across, and then you'll get that bonus, which is beautiful. Also, what else do we have here? The team has shown. People are already playing the beta. Bastry is just cleaning up. He's been live streaming the games of MCRT. All MCRT testers, updating your build to version 7.145. You can see the different builds that the developers are releasing, constantly upgrading. Meta, this is why I want to buy Meta. It's got a massive support at 116, and it came close to it today. It came down to 119, I believe, and then big bounce. But this support goes back all the way to 2016. 2016, this support. So Meta is very oversold, and the profit to risk ratio, look at this. Its PE ratio is 10.64, the best under 20 is amazing for a high growth company. And look at the revenues per year. In 2021, it did all-time high revenues. Its revenues were 117 billion with 39 billion of profit, 33% profit margin. It's telling me this is oversold in my opinion. I'm starting to buy Meta. This is the Magicraft team, MCRT in Dubai. We went to a few different events together. They're amazing. You can get MCRT in the description as well, and pay attention to MCRT. We have some big announcements coming up. The closed beta is starting. It's currently down 3.5% today. Its market cap is 15.8 million. Very low compared to the billion-dollar market caps of other projects. 642 rank. Volume is massive. $938,000 of volume, 7% up today. Big drop on the day. After the 3 month is still holding strong, up 800% during the bear market. And our team is just massively building. And when you get Magicraft, you can also stake. There's around almost 540 million MCRT currently staked. 25% APR per year. You can get it on PancakeSwap. 1,000 USD gets you around 1,000 USD gets you 97,700 MCRT. So that's Bitcoin. Meta it came down. Meta spiked down today and then had a big rebound. The stocks, look at that, it came all the way to 122 and a big rebound back to 130. On the daily, 4-hourly, very oversold. Daily, very oversold. Heading up. Weekly, very oversold as well. It's on a support going back all the way to first touch this area back in 2016, 6 years ago. And it's been making huge revenues since then. So I'm actually starting to buy and add to my position of Meta here. You can see as well multiple times. During COVID, it came down to 136. Back in 2018, it came to 126. So in my opinion, Meta is very oversold at the moment. Can drop more, but I'm going to start adding in here. If it drops past here, another strong support is down here at $104. So I'm going to start adding to Meta. Tesla is still dropping. What Bitcoin, let's look, and Ethereum came down and hit that. Ethereum hit my target actually. If you followed my videos the last few weeks, it came very close to, my target was down here on this trend line, about 110. It came down to 193, which is quite interesting. It's very oversold and big rebounds. I still think Ethereum will come down to 101 though, but we're very close. Does it really matter? That $100 difference is the question. A major support for Ethereum is actually here at 951. So thank you for watching, everyone. Again, do all your trading on Bybit using that link. You get a 4,450. Join the Magicraft Telegram. There's 49,000 people all chatting together. And they're just having a lot of chats. Look at this, opening games together. And you need 1 million MCRT or 1 Genesis NFT to trade. Also, we have some big announcements coming for MCRT, so pay attention. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow. And wow, look at the sunset with the iPhone 14. Epic.